USD PLN 4-hour chart. So American dollar to Polish zloty. As you can see, we broke out through the Kumo, and there was a retest yesterday. And today, of course, NFP, so the price had to bounce up a little bit. And what happened? It's good to see on, I think, 5-minute chart. There was, I think this one will be better, 15-minute chart, and there was a very interesting harmonic pattern. First of all, so 61.8 retracement to 38, 78.6. So if we want to draw it, just to quickly show you how many things was happening on the chart, how many different strategies was telling you to sell off this point. So that's one. We have a classic Gartley, very classic Gartley. Yeah, so that's one thing. But let me put the Ichimoku back in 15 minutes, and since then we are falling. Another interesting thing, we have a spike which surprised me a little bit, but then when I put the MMD, I realized what happened, because recently I have the clear clouds just to see clearly Ichimoku. But if you put Ichimoku with MMD, so with clouds, you can see. And let's actually remove Ichimoku. Let's remove Ichimoku, so we can see clearly there is a level where the red cloud gets into the orange, and the price gets exactly up to this point, and we are selling off this level for more than 100 pips now. So beautiful move, very precise. That's why we call them magical clouds of MMD, because there is a certain level of magic to it. And what else? Let's have a look. Let's go back to Ichimoku only. Let's have a look what's going on here. So from the top to the breakouts and to retracement, the pullback. Now we can see we have a few levels. First is the V target, another one is the NT, and another one would be N target, and the last one is E. So we have a potential of dropping really massively. So from the pullback, if anyone got this movement from here, 700 pips to N, which is the most popular, in my opinion, might easily happen. Target N, or actually even further, but you know, it's all the matter of waiting. Let's see. Yeah, we have the 9th period, the bottom exactly in the 9th day, then again 13th, 17th. So it's happening. Let's watch for this timing here. So that would be 7th. So 7th is weekends. There will be weekends, so yeah, anyway, after the weekends, we might get there. We might get to the new bottom. But for now, it's looking very promising. I'm in a trade myself. I was before yesterday. I was today, and now another trade, because I think that since we already touched this level I showed you from MMD, I think we are free to go. Some might say there is a reverse head and shoulders. That's true, but I still think we should go south.